Hello everyone, welcome to the course Quantitative Methods under IBS. Before we plunge into the course details, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Sonia Nangalia. I am an MBA Finance by qualification and currently pursuing PhD. I am having an experience of 9 years in teaching as a visiting faculty at different business schools across Mumbai. I am an active stock market investor over 10 years and involved in family business of stockbroking. I am passionate about sharing knowledge and the skills which can inspire students so that they can wish to learn. Why we need to study quantitative methods? It helps students and managers to gain an insight into the mathematical and statistical concepts and their applications in business situations. It equips managers and students to forecast, control, and explore various conditions of business. It enables decision making in the complex and uncertain business environment. There is an interesting book by Daryl Huff, How to Lie with Statistics, where it states that crooks already know these tricks. Honest men must learn in self-defense. People, by studying quantitatives, can make sure that they will not be lied by anyone using quantitative techniques in an improper manner. Learning methodology. The course will be conducted as a blend of mainly two components, synchronous learning and asynchronous learning. Synchronous learning will be conducted through online video conferencing learning methods. Asynchronous learning would be conducted through open education resources, LMS-enabled videos, PowerPoint presentations. Assessments would be conducted using quizzes and assignments, which would be both synchronous and asynchronous. Should you need help, you may reach me on my email ID or voice coordinates shared on the IBS LMS portal. All the best for your future. Happy learning. Thank you.